Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can remove screen recording touch point white circle in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, I show how it occurs. I go to screen recording. Screen recording. See here, record screen option is available. Just click it and screen recording will be going. So here wherever you go, that trajectory that will be traced out. Okay, see here. Small white circle appears when you touch on the screen. See here. You can clearly visible here. Okay, I stop it and play the file and screen recording will be going. See here, that white circle appears. Okay, so this is touch point white circle. If you want to remove it, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just go to the settings of your phone. Go to the settings, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, and go to S capture, and here you will find display touch trajectory. Okay, just turn it off. Now you will not get that white point, white circle, that is touch point white circle when you are moving from one area to another area in your screen. See here, again I go to screen recording. Sorry, just press 1 and yes, now I go. Also check on touching, there is no sound. Sorry, there is no that white circle is not appear. Okay, you stop it and play it. So in this way you can easily you can easily remove screen recording touch point white circle in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.